once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just finished, off goes the heat. Really simple, spinach and potato curry, Indian style, got some nice flavours in there. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. Obviously we've got our spinach and our potatoes. If you're using a fresh spinach like this, make sure that you wash it well because it can get a little bit gritty and a bit dirty in there, so give it a nice wash. My potatoes are raw, I've peeled them and cut them into sizes just like that. Then I've got here roughly equal parts of fresh tomatoes and onions, some cilantro or fresh coriander on that side. Here I've got about 2 teaspoons of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Here is what I always call the big 4. If you're a regular to the show, you'll know what I mean. So that's equal parts again, 1 teaspoon of cumin, chili, coriander and turmeric. If you wanted, you could be using a curry powder mix you already have. Some fresh chilies there. In here, our whole seeds we're going to be using today, equal parts again, teaspoon or so of each of black mustard seeds and cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. It's pretty simple, this one, delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, so you're going to need a pan or a wok or something like that. I've got some oil in here. Just heating that up. Now we're going to drop in our whole seeds. Like I say, that's cumin seeds and black mustard seeds. So just let them do their thing just for a few seconds. Then infuse that oil. Then we're going to add our potatoes, our raw potatoes, and just cook those for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give them a head start. In they go. See you in a moment. Okay, so that was just a couple of minutes, and they're obviously still very hard. We're now going to add in our onions, our garlic ginger paste, and while I'm here, I'll get a bit of salt. And again, we're going to cook these on a kind of above medium heat for about another 3 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add in our tomatoes. Our fresh chili and our powders. And like I say, there's 4 powders there: turmeric, coriander, chili and cumin, equal parts of. We're now going to cook this, again remaining on this same heat, for about another 4 minutes. Okay, I've just turned the heat down, just so I can talk. It's getting a bit loud there. So our tomatoes, as you can see, are starting to break down. What we're going to do now is add in our spinach. Like I say, clean it nicely. And this looks like an enormous amount, but it will really cook down. So pack it in. We're going to get a lid on that, and we're going to go for about, let me just turn the heat up a little bit more. That will cook in about 4 to 5 minutes, then we're going to stir it in. Okay, let's jump in. There's going to be a lot of steam coming out of that. As you can see, it's cooking down really nicely. I gave it a little stir earlier. And there's plenty of moisture from the spinach and from the tomatoes. So I'm going to continue cooking this for about another 3 minutes with the lid off. And stir it every now and then. Okay, super. And just make sure that your potatoes are nice and tender, like mine are cooked really nicely now. Check that for salt. I'm now going to add in some chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. If you wanted a little bit of garam masala powder, would be nice in there. But that is it, really simple spinach and potato curry. healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?